Good afternoon and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So today I'm so excited because I have a Stitchfix unboxing. I've had this for probably over a week. Haven't been feeling well, so when you're not feeling well, the worst thing to do is to try on clothes. So I am feeling better, so I did an extension of my Stitchfix so I am able to try on clothes. Of course, I had a peek because I've had this box for so long. So Stitchfix is a clothing subscription box. As most of you know, you get it really when you want it. You can get it 2 weeks, a month, quarterly, annually, just whenever you want it. There's a $20 styling fee, but I signed up for the annual pass that they offer, so it's $49. You pay it once a year and then you have no styling fee. Let's get into the box since, again, I've already peeked. So you'll get a note from your stylist and, oops, can't even hold on to things anymore. And my stylist is Marissa, and I think I've had her the past few boxes. And I really just ask for an outfit. I ask for a top, a pair of pants, maybe some boots, a handbag, some jewelry, just to put everything together, and I'm happy with that. So I won't read you the note, but I will go over what I got. So you ready? I've been trying to find some bootcut jeans because this time of year it does get a little cooler in Arizona, and we do some riding on the bike and we do some riding out in the desert on our side-by-side. So I do have a tendency to wear boots, and she sent me some. These are Judy Blue Lynn bootcut jeans, indigo, and a size 8. And they appear to be just plain, there's nothing on them, no distressing. The back is plain, and they are a bootcut. And I will go over pricing at the end. I just wanted to do a quick run through with everything that she sent. And then there is this top, and it's Market and Spruce, a size large. And I normally do not reach for green. And when you sign up for Stitchfix, you fill out a profile with the colors you like, the patterns you like, if you like dresses, if you like shorts, if you like pants. And one of the colors I put on there is I don't like green. But I have received quite a bit of green in my boxes, and I bought quite a bit of green. So this is olive, and it's got this strap. I don't know if it will work with the bra, but we're gonna find out. And I actually do like the looks of it. So I'm kind of hoping it looks good because it would look great with jeans. This was the only item in the box that I was kind of like, why'd you send it? It's kind of a fancier top. It is the Daniel Rain Quinn Cap Sleeve Mixed Material Top in teal green in a large. But try to hold it up here. I mean, where would I wear it to? It's a little dressy. This is the front. Hello, hello. And this is the back. But I mean, where would I wear it to? And it isn't my favorite color. I could wear it with a cardigan and it would look very nice, but where would I wear it to? So, and it's probably one of their pricier tops. Usually their tops run like $38 to maybe $64. and I have a feeling, I didn't even look at the prices. I have a feeling it's like a $64, and this top, I loved it. I do have a top very, very similar to this top. This is the pink Clover Haley front pocket Raglan knit top, white in a large. I have something very, very similar. The only thing is my top I have doesn't have this pocket with the trim, but it is super similar. But I do like the pocket with the trim. And so I don't know, what do you think? I'll have to try it on, but again, I have two almost identical tops, but I don't really go anywhere. We probably won't be going anywhere for months. So to have two tops like this that, you know, would be comfortable isn't a bad thing. So I don't know, I'd have to try it on. And then booties. Can't get enough booties. And the thing I like about these boots is the color. Look at that color. Kind of like a pepper. I love the heels. They're kind of rubber. They're not like that wood look, but they are rubber. And they're a suede, so I'd have to definitely spray them down. And they have zippers on both sides. And the zipper is silver. And you know I love me some silver with my accessories. So what do you think of those boots? So everything was kind of a go for me, except that teal shirt. I suppose I could sell it because I really don't know where I'd wear it. So I'm gonna go, make sure there's nothing else in the box. Oh, there's the bag that you send everything back. So I'm gonna go try everything on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the first outfit. I'm wearing 3 pieces. I have the Market & Spruce Melly Single Cold Shoulder Olive Size Large, the Judy Blue Lynn Bootcut Jeans Indigo in a size 8, and the DV8 Bates Perforated Wedge Booty. They're called Orange, and they're in a 7.5. So this is the top, and it covers the breast strap. It seems a little big, but I kind of like it big because it covers the lumps and bumps. I don't know if you're getting a good color of the top, but it is a true olive. So I do like it. It's very, very comfortable. So I think this one will be a keeper. See, it's a little big here. And then here's the top of the jeans. They're a 2-button. They cover my belly fat. So I'm gonna push you back a little bit. So these are the jeans. As I said, they're just a simple, plain bootcut jean, and I'll try to lift them, and you'll see a better shot when I show you the booties. But I do like this outfit. The jeans do have some stretch to them, so I'm gonna wear them for a little bit and see how much they stretch. I don't know if I can size down in these, but now I'm going to lower you and see if we can get a shot of the boots. So these are the boots. You see, I have to do a lot of editing. So these are the boots. They have a little tassel on them. And then here is with the boot cut of the jeans. So let me know what you think of those, and I have 2 more tops to try on. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and I have the pink Clover Haley front pocket, and it's white in a size large. And I will pull you down. And it's super, super cute. It's got the pocket, and it's got the stripes to match the top. Of course, it shows my belly. I don't know. Let me know what you think. It is super cute. I brought the top that I have similar. It is a market and spruce. See, it's got the stripes. It's kind of similar, but it doesn't have the fancy Judas on the shoulder. And so I just thought this one was different and cute, but I don't know if I like the way I look in it. And I'll be right back with the green top that I have absolutely nowhere to wear it to. Okay, I am back with this last, I guess it's the teal green top. And it's a Daniel Rain Quinn cap sleeve mixed mate, teal green size large. And it's very pretty around here. I'm not crazy about all this stuff. It hangs, you know, I like the way it hangs. I don't know if you can see the back. I didn't button it up. Again, it's not my color, not my style. So let me know what you think of it, and I'll be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back with the recap. Okay, I still kept this top on, so let's go over pricing and what I decided to keep. The boots, those orange boots, they went for $89, and I'm just not gonna keep them. I don't love them enough. I don't think I'll wear them out enough, and they were suede, and I worry about suede, so they're gonna go back. The pink Clover with the front pocket, I just did not like the way it fit me in the tummy area, so I think that's gonna go back. And this top here, $64. I knew it was going to be pricey, but yeah, it was a no-go when I took it out of the box, so that's going back. And the jeans, they're just already falling down. They're falling down, and I'm not even unbuttoning them. I'm not sure if I would downsize if they would fit, so they're gonna go back. And the off the shoulder, that olive shirt, I'm gonna keep. I don't know why. The color is not really a color I would reach for, but this shirt was so comfortable. I loved it. I think it would be a shirt that I'm gonna reach for. And that shirt was $48, a little pricey, but I'm gonna keep it. The total of the box was $297. With the buy all discount, it would bring it down to $222, which is not bad for 5 pieces, boots and jeans, really great price. And thanks to you guys, I do have some credit, but I'm only going to keep the one top. So I do have a link for $50. If you guys want to give this a try, you won't have to pay the $20 styling fee, and you'll get $50 credit. So it's definitely worth it. So thank you so much for taking the time out to watch me try on clothes. And as always, you guys have an awesome day. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, why not? Please hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning subscribers, thank you so much. I always appreciate your loyalty to my channel.